I guess.
At least they can get it.
What?
At least they can get it. It didn't break.
Yeah,
I think it fell into the netting.
I thought I saw it go like below the netting, but let's see.
Maybe it did.
Yeah.
You think it's resistible if it takes a fall like that?
It was my older GoPro, so I don't really care. I got it $70 on Black Friday, but my concern was more like getting like stuck in the machinery.
Yeah, no, it was too far down to go down.
I mean, I wasn't doing anything wrong. You saw I was just getting something under my back and it fell and bounced in. Thank you, yes. Well, thank you. I got that on camera.
That is service.
Yeah.
That is customer service.
And at an American park, I would have been like...
An all-day affair.
Yeah. Yeah.
How the fuck did they get that in 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Wow, that's some bonus points for Efteling.
Here we go.
Feels like a whacked out Dr. Seuss.
Oh. Dr. Seuss went to a coffee shop. That's fun.
The music gives it some bonus points.